Okay, as promised, here's your cheater. Now, we got our T184 Plus Texas Instruments calculator, and we've got our basic information from the other question where we have $1,000 we're investing, 3.6% interest, 20 years we're doing it for, and our compounded period is 4, so quarterly, right? So I'm just using the same numbers to show you how this works. Now, with your graphing calculator, you're going to go to the button marked Apps. See the Apps button right here? So you're going to click the Apps button, and on your screen it says Finance is 1, so you're going to click 1 or just hit Enter for Finance. Then it says TVM Solver, again you're going to hit 1 or Enter to get it to go. Now, I've got some things to explain to you. N, the first one, is the number of years. I is the interest, and you leave it as, so it's interest as a percent. So that means you don't make it a decimal. Now PV is previous value, so that's P, your invested amount. Payment, don't worry about. Future value, FV, is, that's what you're going to make. So that's your A, your total value there. Payments, we don't worry about again. So these guys are just whatever. And the last one, compounded per year, is, well, it's compounded per year. So that's your N, your compounding period. So in this situation, what I'm going to do is enter the data that I have and just find the thing I'm missing. So it tells me that N is 20. So, because N is the number of years, so I put that in there. Then I'm going to page down, and the percent is 3.6. And I'm going to page down again. Previous value is 1. Oh, there's a weird little trick here. Make it negative. And don't put minus, make it negative. So use the negative button at the bottom of your calculator. Then we're going to leave payments at 0. Future value, that's what we're going to be determining. So whatever you're determining, you just leave a 0 there for now, and we'll go back to it and leave the cursor over it. Payments per year, we leave alone. We're not making payments. Compounding per year is 4. So I've got all my stuff written in, and I can't leave anything blank. If I leave it blank, it won't let me go up and down, so just put in a value for it. So if I, for example, cleared the future value, it won't let me move from here until I put something in. I don't want to put anything in, so I'm going to stay there, and I'm going to hit alpha and then my equals button. You can see that it says solve in green above your equals button. Alpha solve. There I go. $2,047.83. Fun, huh? So again, just to recap, when you're looking for this thing, you go to your apps button, then you hit finance, and then TVM solver, or just return will get you there. This is the screen. This is what they mean. The only real tricks to this are you can't move around through something if you've left it blank, so just put in a value if you need to scroll up or down. And your PV should be negative.